In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just need a hard copy of your slides for reference, printing your slides is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you need to head over to Google Slides. Open up your web browser and go to the Google Slides website. If you've used Google Slides before, you're likely familiar with this step, but if not, you can simply search for Google Slides on any search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll need to sign into your Google account. You'll see a button or link prompting you to sign in, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. If you're not already signed in, click it and enter your email address and password. This is crucial since all your saved presentations will be linked to your Google account. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage, where you can access any previous presentations you've saved. From here, you can choose to start a new presentation or open an existing one. Let's go ahead and click on the blank presentation option if you want to create a new set of slides from scratch. Alternatively, you can select a template to make your work a bit easier if you're looking for something specific. Now, whichever option you choose, you'll be taken to the main editing interface of Google Slides. This is where all the creative magic happens. Once you've finished creating or modifying your slides and you're ready to print them, it's time to look at the menu at the top. Locate the File option towards the top of the page. It should be on the far left. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find different options related to your project. Scroll down the list of options until you find Print and click on it. This will bring up your Print dialog box. In this Print dialog, you'll be able to adjust settings and configure how you want your slides to appear on paper. You can choose which printer to use if you have multiple options, select the number of copies to print, and adjust page layout and paper size if needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click on the Print button. This will send your slides to the printer, where they'll be transformed into a physical format. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully printed your Google Slides presentation. With this process, you can now take your presentations from digital to physical with ease. Hopefully this guide has clarified how to print using Google Slides effectively. Happy presenting, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.